No, I'm good. I don't know what happened. Everyone get a little nasty now. Yo, gang, what is up? It's your boy Liz, aka MotoBroo. And as you can see, bro, there's some hitters out here today. So let's get into today's video. Cause yo, this thing is gonna be oh boy, the two strokes. The mini bike. Oh, hop into the seat. That's what we like. Oh! Yeah, I'm just coming in on the 90. No biggie, no biggie. Bro, it's so like when you're on the stand up, dude, it's so sketchy. Woo! Oh my. Yeah. No, I'm good. I don't know what happened. I don't know. I don't think so, bro. I think I just missed it. I hit it too hard or something. Ow. That's a 450 power, bro. Ow. Bro, that happened so quick. I didn't even. Oh my god, my butt. Appreciate that, bro.
You okay, bro? You alright though, for real?
Yeah.
Did I make you lose your breath?
No. I just fell on my butt.
What happened?
I just fell on my butt and my butt hurts.
Come on, let me see some work. Come on, now that bike, go.
No,
Ass a little straight up, but it's high. Come on, right.
The bike is good, which is.
Nah, yeah, just the fender and the exhaust.
No, yeah, exhaust. That's just fine. Alrighty, gang. As you've seen, today was not my day, bro. I don't know what happened. Like, I felt so comfy on the bike today, and just like I said, bro, one little mistake, bro, and you're done, bro. It's gonna flip you. So, stay safe out there on them bikes. You already know I'll be back. We don't hardly have that much damage besides my beautiful exhaust and plastics. Hey, y'all. Till next time, y'all. Yes, peace. Yo, gang, so we made it back to my crib. Before we go into the bike and all the damage that went down, my booty's hurting for sure. That shower last night was terrible, but I'm gonna explain sort of how I looped the bike and sort of what went down. So as you see, I literally just picked the bike up right away and I shifted up a gear, and I don't know what was going on. Like, I think I just gave it too much throttle, and the momentum going back, I couldn't hit the rear brake fast enough to get it to come down. And when I hit the brake, I felt the bike bounce in the air, and then it went down again, and then I fell back. So I think I just did a little hop. Like, I brought the bike up so fast, and when I tried to hit the brake, it hopped. And I was just too far already back when I hit that hop, and boom, it was goner. But we good, bro. No broken bones or nothing like that, so it's a blessing. Just some scraps, so it is what it is. I'm gonna show you guys what happened to the YZ450. Unfortunately, the exhaust, that bit got hit. She ain't looking too nice anymore, but let me show you. Woo! Yeah, that hurt. Yo, we a little close and you can see my goddamn cut. Alright, so the main damage to the bike was the exhaust right here. So as y'all can see, my exhaust, my fender, it all went through it, bro. But to be honest, bro, I got out of this like loop But to be honest, bro, I got out of this so clean, like, compared to what could have happened, you know? All I got is a little scrape on the booty, and, like, no, you know, freaking arms or nothing like that. Everything else is good. My spine is safe. That's, like, the biggest thing when you loop out is, like, falling back on your spine. And, yeah, I've known people who've, you know, gotten, like, where they can't walk anymore because of that. So, definitely blessed just to be walking and just to be out here still, but... I mean, from this side, bro, you can't even tell that I crashed, bro. Like, even on the bars, like, look at the bars, nothing. Hop over here. Can't really see it, it's blurry. Go this way. Bro, look at that grip. It doesn't look, the bike doesn't even look like it went down, dude. Like, shout out to YZ, bro. This thing is a strong mofo. Only thing I'm worried about is the subframe. I feel like it bent up a little, but then again, hopping on the seat enough times will bend it down. So we did have my fender come loose, unfortunately, but that's not a big deal. We'll just put a new bolt in there. But everything's good. All the wheels and such, no problems. All the wheels are spinning. I really expected there to be a lot more damage to the bike, but somehow the dirt bike gods, thank you, they're on our side in a way. If they're on our side fully, we wouldn't have looped, but they're on our side where nothing crazy happened. This was, let me put the camera down real quick and talk to y'all. So like, this is sort of, every time I go down, I sort of take like a learning lesson from it. And today or yesterday when I was on the bike, I felt so comfortable. I hate how they have the noise in the background, bro. So gang, every time I go down, I always try to take like a learning lesson from it. And yesterday when I was on the bike, I felt so comfortable, bro. And it's always when you're overconfident on the bike, or you just, you know, you're so confident, you're like, oh, nothing can go wrong. That's when it goes wrong, bro. Always, bro. Always when I'm feeling like 1000% on the bike, where I'm like, oh, I'm comfy today. Like, I feel so good. That's when these things happen. So, yeah, maybe you guys could learn something from that. Always be looking out. I even said in the video before I went down, I was like, this is like bike life. 1 second, you could be having an amazing time. Next second, you're on your booty. And that was literally me. Today, I was on my booty. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that footy. It was definitely a little gnarly, bro, because, like, as you guys know, I haven't been down in a minute. So, yeah, homie freaking mowing his grass again. So, yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Stay motivated, merch in the description. Man, I'm trying to make a video and they're mowing the lawn and shit, man. Come on, dude. I'm playing. Hey, till next time, peace. Oh, that hurt.